Yeah, in this video, I want to take you step by step how to get USDC Airdrop Faucet for Ethereum or EVM blockchain. If you are developing on Ethereum or EVM blockchains that support USDC, and then you need USDC to do some testing on the testnet. So I will guide you step by step in the video to get some for free. Welcome, dear friend. I'm Solomon Faucet, founder of dProgramming University, a free Web3 development education platform. Please note our content are for education purpose only, not financial, trading, investment, programming or development advice into any of the platform discussed. Always do your own research. And please, we may get sponsorship, partnership, token or whatever form during, before or after creating this content, but we try as much as possible to remain unbiased and make it educative. If that agreed on, let's get right into this content. Yeah, like I said, let's see how to get USDC airdrop for free. So if you go to Circle, which is the company that is behind USDC, you can get. Also, let me know in the comments, in case I forget, please, to add the link for you as well in the description, so you can have it. So once you open it here, usually you have Ethereum, which currently support just Sepolia, and like I told you, there are some other testnet as well, which are like EVM that you can check out. A lot of them actually. So there are a lot of them which you can check out as well. So let's go on Ethereum. Then based on what I've got here, this Phantom, so I want to copy the account. Make sure you are not copying Solana, you are copying Ethereum or maybe like Polygon, for example. So if they support that EVM blockchain, so let's copy for Ethereum, copy, or better, you can also see here, and we can click receive address compatible token. So it's the same, we copy, and here we have paste it and send 10 USDC. So testnet USDC sent. So you have been able to receive that. So this on mainnet. So since this is testnet, we need to activate the testnet. So the same also if you are using MetaMask, just copy the wallet address and put it there. And you know you have to switch your wallet address, MetaMask wallet, to the testnet you are using. If not, you won't see it. So like here now, we need to on the test mode. So that's how you can be able to check out the amount received or the something received. And as well, you can also get more token from here. So since not opening this up on manage more token. So if you send this in, you see it now. I've been looking, that's what I've been searching for. So that means you may need to give it some time, because like Phantom usually auto add them. So, and there's no way I can add it manually, but if it is MetaMask, you can add the token. If you get the USDC address for that testnet, you can add it manually and then it will easily show up. But if not, you can see it and then it indicates on which blockchain this is. You see, this is on Solana and this is on Ethereum. So I can easily differentiate, okay, this token is coming from Ethereum blockchain. You see the network, and this is it. And I think you can even get multiple, just don't overdo it. Maybe you give it some time, like an hour or so. Once you do it like twice, it will take a while before it shows up. So does it. You can like, subscribe, tap notification bell, and comment your experience as well. If you like what I'm doing, want to keep the programming, investing on supporting, creating helpful content, courses, videos, guides to help Web3 developers, then please use the donate link in the description, and open as well to partnership. You can partner with the Programming University to create courses, guides, and more to help more developers discover your projects for developers, or also help them understand. If you have developer ecosystem, for example, having additional guides like that, well simplified for them to follow. So reach out using the contact page as well. So that's it. I remain Solomon Faucet, and please remember to keep the program sweet and alive, and do good to humanity always with your programming skill and not evil, to make the world a better place for us all. So it's not showing up yet. Maybe it will take a while to show up, just like the previous one as well. So that's just it. I hope you've learned a lot. See you in the next video. Peace.